Stop by and take a look at the 2012 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, 4-wheel ABS, cruise control, FWD, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.